Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to fix missing features on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, we are going to know that how to fix missing features on TikTok. First of all, you have to open the app. If your some of the features on your TikTok is being missing, first of all you have to update your TikTok app. If your app is updated, then you have to click on the profile on click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now scroll this bar and click on free up space. Now clear all the cached here and your all the missing features will appear here. If you are still facing this problem that some of the features are missing, then you have to uninstall this TikTok app and then reinstall the new TikTok app. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.